Put-call parity is a fundamental concept in options trading that defines the relationship between the prices of puts and calls. At its core, parity means that certain combinations of options and stock should have the same price to prevent risk-free profit. This simple formula links the call price, put price, the stock price, and the strike price together. When this balance is broken, traders can find arbitrage opportunities, which is why market makers work hard to keep these prices aligned. Most traders look at calls and puts separately, but they are actually two sides of the exact same pricing coin. This chart shows how these variables move relative to one another to maintain the mathematical equilibrium required by the market. Remember, this is a theoretical model. While it helps us understand pricing, real-world execution involves factors like dividends and interest rates. Understanding these relationships helps you see how options prices are derived. Subscribe for more deep dives into market mechanics.